Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to group image in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. Go to File, Open, and open image. Insert image. Okay, resize. Hold Shift. Press Ctrl T. Hold Alt R, backspace, and click left mouse. Hold Shift. Hold Shift. Then align image. Okay, align image. Hold Ctrl, select and align image. Edit up or center. Okay, and again apply the same process. Center. Press Ctrl Z for group. Hold Ctrl, press Ctrl Z, group 2. Again press Ctrl, hold Ctrl and select align middle. Then group only image. Hold hold Shift, press Ctrl Z. Now see this group image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.